recognize that there is truth in what the peasant says, that any man who stays at home finds everything he seeks abroad. And if he never suffered unease, he doesn't know what ease is. But therefore his pleasure is double when he lodges in a wildly unpleasant manner, and he loves the more what his house contains. But I greatly marvel at how a man who knows bad and good equally well, and knows the way of the world and can lead an honorable life, could act so childishly as to go through all the discomforts of crossing the sea. But let the wretched who have neither pledge nor asset have it all. I take a different path. For would lessen his smart and pain by journeying abroad, either for himself or for others. He is worried morning, noon, and night at the behest of sea and wind. And he is in danger each day, and his clothes are stained and soaked, and people of vile descent annoy and harass him. And when one fares badly and expects worse, don't expect anyone to help him. Instead, he ought to worry wherever he goes, and the shore is not for him. Towards him, people don't keep to their word, nor to their vows and pledges. Instead, if they can, the will despoil him of his rights. I don't consider wise a rich man who pursues this, rather he commits a double folly. For I prefer lying naked in a pleasant place than clothed in next to a pilgrim, and fresh water and good wine more than rancid, and joy more than worries, and good food and many a palfrey, more than ship biscuit between tempests, and fair dwelling more than harbor or shore. So I renounce, if I ever wished for it, going on the seas. Let he who will follow this way of life, and peer eastwards and westwards. For I like more to remain in France, where one finds more joy and honor. And whatever wind may blow, I'll take towards all cardinal points, lodging on dry land. And let he who likes it make that journey.